Hey everybody, this is another AAA production, Project Big Nasty, and what we're doing today is we're going to be installing the AC evaporator. So let me go ahead and show you that right there. Come foam. There we go. And so here it is. This is the inside of the cab, the firewall, and I want to dyno line this. Dynamat, and there's a couple protrusions. I'm going to grind those flat. You see an artifact here from my previous dash, and what I'm going to do is cut that away and have a couple tabs left to hang the wiring harnesses from. Otherwise there's really nowhere to attach them. Because you can have the best AC in the world, and if it's not insulated in the cab, it's not going to work. And let me show you on the other side what is happening. So we have here the firewall. Okay, this panel is going to cover that up, and that mark there is where I'm going to weld a bracket to hold this expansion tank. Quick factoid here for you is that a coolant overflow tank is not pressurized. And so to have a little bit more cooling power, the radiator I have for this truck, the whole radiator is cooling. And then with the expansion tank here, which is pressurized, it has a little bit extra of a bump in cooling, which is obviously why General Motors went to that later in the 6.5, or I don't know what year they started it. I just know it's better. So I incorporated it. It works. I don't have temperature problems. Okay.